equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the keyboard and battery. First, power off your MSI MS17G3 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. There are typically 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. After removing the back panel, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the battery. It's usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws and disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the battery removed, let's move on to the keyboard. Flip the laptop over and locate the keyboard screws, which are often hidden under the rubber feet or plastic covers. Carefully remove these screws and use the spudger to gently lift the keyboard from its position. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. Once the keyboard is free, disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard. This cable is delicate, so handle it with care. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. After replacing the keyboard with a new one, reconnect the ribbon cable and secure the keyboard back into place. Ensure it clicks in properly to avoid any issues later on. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Connect the battery to the motherboard and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This will help improve the performance and longevity of your laptop. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Power on your MSI MS17G3 to ensure that the keyboard and battery are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for support. We are here to help you with no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop problems. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.